The Hisense 85-inch class U8 Mini-LED ULED 4K UHD Google Smart TV is, without a doubt, the perfect choice for any serious home theater enthusiast. But let me explain why, even though I know some viewers might be looking somewhere else. As someone who's passionate about getting the most out of their entertainment experience, I've had the chance to dive deep into this TV's features and capabilities, and I have to say, it's truly impressed me. First off, I have to say, this thing is a behemoth of a TV. The link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. It's 85 inches of pure cinematic bliss, and it's got some incredible specs to back it up. I mean, just think about it, an 85-inch screen is not just a TV, it's an immersive experience. It's like having your very own private cinema right in your living room. And with the Hisense U8, you get all the benefits of a massive screen without sacrificing any of the picture quality. So why is this TV worth the investment, you ask? Well, for starters, the mini-LED backlight on this thing is top-notch. With up to 5000 nits of peak brightness and up to LD 5600 local contrast ratio, it's going to look genuinely stunning even in bright rooms. And let's be real, who doesn't love watching TV during the day? Whether it's a Sunday football game or a family movie marathon, this TV is going to deliver. The mini-LED backlight is also incredibly efficient, which means it's not only bright but also energy efficient. But it's not just about the brightness, it's also about color accuracy. The HiView AI Engine Pro does a fantastic job of ensuring vibrant colors across the spectrum. That's especially true during your favorite cinematic moments where a TV really shines, or should I say, really pops. I mean, think about it, when you're watching a movie, you want to be fully immersed in the experience. You want the colors to be vivid, the contrast to be sharp, and the overall picture to be stunning. And that's exactly what the Hisense U8 delivers. Now, let's talk about gaming, because if you're anything like me, gaming's a huge part of your entertainment diet. This TV's got a native 165Hz panel with Game Booster 288 for silky smooth graphics, making it perfect for console and PC gaming alike. The enhanced game bar even lets you customize settings right from the screen for seamless interactions with your device. I mean, can you imagine playing your favorite games on an 85-inch screen with buttery smooth graphics? It's a game changer. And with the Hisense U8, you get all the benefits of a high-end gaming monitor without sacrificing any of the TV's other features. But watching a good movie's more than just visuals, folks, it's also about the experience. That's where the sound comes in. You get a 4.1.2 channel audio system with Dolby Atmos and IMAX enhanced, which might just give you a cinema-level experience right in your own living room. I mean, think about it, when you're watching a movie, the sound is just as important as the picture. You want to feel like you're right there in the action, with the sound surrounding you and immersing you in the experience. And that's exactly what the Hisense U8 delivers. Of course, there are some caveats. The 5000 nit peak brightness might come at a cost, namely heat management and battery life. The anti-reflection Pro feature might only go so far in preventing glare, especially in certain lighting conditions. Nonetheless, I believe the benefits definitely outweigh the drawbacks here. I mean, let's be real, if you're looking for a TV that's going to deliver a truly cinematic experience, you're going to have to make some compromises. And in the case of the Hisense U8, those compromises are well worth it. But before I wrap up this review, I do want to mention one feature that really caught my eye, the QLED color technology. It's Pantone validated, so it genuinely adheres to standard color accuracy, which might make it a great TV for creative professionals looking to calibrate their setup. I mean, think about it, if you're a graphic designer, a photographer, or a videographer, you need a TV that's going to deliver accurate colors. And with the Hisense U8, you get that and so much more. All in all, I think this 85-inch Hisense is a TV that's worth considering, especially if you like to go big or go home with your home theater setup. Yes, it comes at a premium, but where you put your money, it's a worthwhile investment if you ask me. I mean, think about it, this TV is going to be the centerpiece of your entertainment experience for years to come. You're going to spend countless hours watching movies, playing games, and enjoying time with family and friends in front of this TV. And if you're looking for a TV that's going to deliver a truly exceptional experience, the Hisense U8 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking to give this thing a closer look, be sure to link to the description below for the full product details on Amazon.